I wasn't really sure when I was approaching graduating high school what I wanted to do with the rest of my life. And before moving on to a 4-year school, I just wanted to get my feet planted, kind of look in on myself and figure out what's going to make me happy moving forward. I really enjoyed going to this school. I think my life would be completely different if I didn't come here first. And I really like the way my life has turned out. In my role right now, I am on site every day. I'm kind of a little stepping stone in between the subcontractors and the design team just to make sure everything's being coordinated properly. Right now, we are in punch list phase for the project, so I'm spending a lot of time in the building, going in, doing a lot of inspections, making sure things are getting installed properly, a lot of coordinating with design teams, owners, and subcontractors in the field. I think it's all gonna really come together when we do the ribbon cutting with the school, and the whole kind of campus community can walk through, see all the hard work that everybody's put in on their ends and how unbelievably stunning the building's turned out. To be part of this building and project is an honor. It is a full circle joy for me to be able to have been coming here and sitting in the seats of the building we ripped down to now walking the halls of this unbelievably gorgeous building for Cape Cod Community College. I think students are really going to enjoy. So it's a great sense of pride.